In the shadowy depths of the ocean, a remarkable creature defies the boundaries of life itself, the jellyfish. With its translucent body drifting gracefully, it possesses an astonishing ability to reverse its aging process. When faced with threats, certain jellyfish can revert to their juvenile form, echoing myths of immortality. This vivid reality, hidden in the blue depths, captivates the imagination. Jellyfish thrive in nearly every corner of the ocean, from sunlit shallows to the dark abyss, enduring relentless pressure and temperature fluctuations. They drift through the water, capturing prey with stinging tentacles, but their most extraordinary feat lies in their uncanny ability to fight against mortality. Jellyfish begin as larvae, metamorphosing into polyps that can cling to seafloors. When danger looms, these polyps can revert to their juvenile medusa form, raising questions about aging and survival. What evolutionary advantages accompany such an extraordinary capability? In the depths, jellyfish are not just anomalies, they challenge our understanding of biology and longevity. Their existence invites us to reconsider our connection to these ancient creatures, revealing insights into longevity and the health of our oceans. In the darkened depths, jellyfish pulsate gracefully, their ethereal bodies rippling like liquid glass. Their regenerative ability draws scientists eager to unravel the secrets within. Research highlights how certain species, like Turritopsis dohrnii, known as the immortal jellyfish, can transform mature cells back into polyp cells, effectively restarting their life cycle. This process raises profound questions about human longevity and potential advancements in regenerative medicine. Consider the environment where jellyfish thrive. They inhabit extreme conditions, from frigid Arctic waters to hydrothermal vents, honing their resilience and playing a pivotal role in marine food webs. However, climate change and pollution are causing jellyfish populations to surge, often at the expense of traditional fish species, signaling alarming ecological consequences. The study of jellyfish immunity expands our understanding of resilience. Their unique defense mechanisms allow them to thrive despite harsh conditions, offering insights that could revolutionize biotechnology and medical science. As we explore jellyfish, we uncover lessons about adaptability and the interconnectedness of life forms. The insights gleaned compel us to reflect on our stewardship of the oceans. Each revelation positions jellyfish not merely as ancient survivors but as potential harbingers of hope. Their existence serves as a reminder of life's fragility and strength, urging us to honor and protect the fragile world beneath the waves. The journey into the realm of jellyfish reveals a complex tapestry of life. Their astounding regenerative abilities spark curiosity about what lies within the depths of the ocean. As we unveil these secrets, we are drawn closer to understanding not only jellyfish but the broader narrative of life on Earth. Every encounter prompts us to reflect on our place within this intricate web of existence. In this unfolding tale of regeneration, jellyfish emerge as vital participants in the ongoing story of life. They remind us of the wonders beneath the waves, urging exploration, understanding, and a commitment to protecting the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. The fate of jellyfish, and indeed, all ocean life, hinges on our collective resolve to nurture and protect the ecosystems that harbor them. As we venture forth into the unknown depths, may we carry the spirit of the jellyfish within us, embodying resilience and hope for a balanced future in our precious blue planet. Thus, as we conclude this exploration, let us not view jellyfish merely as spectacles of nature but as profound symbols of resilience and a call to action. The mysteries of these ethereal beings invite us to dive deeper, to marvel at the ocean's wonders, and to foster a vision of conservation that honors all life connecting us together. The ocean has witnessed the emergence of jellyfish for over 500 million years, with their ancestors dating back to a time when the Earth was dominated by vast, unbroken seas. The fossils of jellyfish provide glimpses into their ancient past. The oldest known jellyfish fossils date back to the Cambrian period, around 505 million years ago. These gelatinous beings have persisted through cataclysmic events, including the mass extinction that wiped out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago, demonstrating extraordinary resilience in the face of environmental change. Imagine descending into the twilight zone of the ocean, where light fades, and bioluminescent creatures flicker in the blackness, much like stars in a night sky. Here, jellyfish float effortlessly in the dark waters, their bodies glowing softly, illuminating the abyss. The mesmerizing dance between light and darkness provides a glimpse into a world that thrives against all odds. The water around them shimmers with an ethereal glow, illuminating their gelatinous forms in a way that seems almost magical, revealing intricate patterns and colors that are hidden from the sunlit surface above. As we journey deeper into their realm, we come to understand the jellyfish life cycle. After a brief larval stage, young jellyfish, or ephyrae, establish themselves on the seafloor as polyps. These polyps resemble small, immobile stalks anchored to rocks or coral, concealed from predators. When conditions are favorable, warm waters, abundant food, these polyps can reproduce asexually, budding off new jellyfish. However, in moments of stress, a wondrous transition occurs. The polyps undergo a remarkable transformation, reverting to a juvenile state, the medusa form, reminiscent of the creature's original beginnings. This biological marvel hints at the profound adaptability of these organisms, allowing them to navigate a world fraught with dangers. The transformation is not merely a biological process, it is an evolutionary response designed for survival. As jellyfish revert to their earlier form, they escape predation and environmental hazards, embodying the essence of survival. This strategy allows them to maintain their presence in a rapidly changing world, positioning them as one of the most resilient species in the ocean. Their regenerative abilities mirror the adaptability we find in nature, a testament to life's will to endure and thrive against the odds. In many ways, the jellyfish represents a paradox. Despite their simplicity, they harbor complex interactions with their environment. They are both predator and prey, partaking in a delicate food web that sustains marine ecosystems. Jellyfish consume small fish, plankton, and other microscopic organisms, while serving as vital nourishment for larger marine animals, such as sea turtles and certain species of fish. The intricate balance they maintain within their ecosystems highlights the interconnectedness of ocean life, where each creature plays a role in the intricate dance of existence. However, the current state of our oceans has put this balance at risk. Overfishing and pollution have destabilized traditional fish populations, leading to an explosion in jellyfish numbers, known as jellyfish blooms. These blooms can create dead zones, areas devoid of oxygen, where life struggles to survive. The delicate web of oceanic life is fraying, and jellyfish, in their resilience, may be at the forefront of a changing marine landscape, thriving in conditions that would devastate other marine species. Research has shown that jellyfish blooms are linked to nutrient-rich runoff from agricultural practices. Fertilizers and chemicals wash into rivers and oceans, creating ideal conditions for plankton growth, the primary food source for jellyfish. As fish populations dwindle, jellyfish take advantage of the situation, thriving in the void left by their predators. This ecological imbalance raises concerns about the long-term health of our oceans, urging immediate attention to conservation efforts as we work to mitigate harmful agricultural practices and promote sustainable fisheries. Reflecting on their remarkable defenses, we discover that jellyfish possess unique adaptations that allow them to survive in extreme environments. Their gelatinous bodies are composed of over 95% water, giving them the buoyancy needed to drift through the currents effortlessly. This composition also grants them resistance to harsh conditions, such as fluctuating temperatures and salinity levels. Their stinging cells, known as cnidocytes, inject venom into prey with astonishing speed, allowing them to capture food efficiently. The sting may be painful, but it is also a crucial part of their survival strategy. As researchers delve deeper into the cellular structure of jellyfish, they uncover insights into their immune systems. The jellyfish possess a simple but effective defense mechanism that allows them to thrive even in polluted environments. Studies have shown that jellyfish can adapt to toxins found in their habitats, displaying an incredible resilience to harmful substances. Their ability to withstand stresses invites comparisons to human health and opens avenues for groundbreaking research in biotechnology and medicine. Imagine scientists in laboratories around the globe, studying jellyfish under powerful microscopes, striving to unlock their secrets. Those shimmering bodies contain compounds that could lead to breakthroughs in regenerative therapies, potentially changing how we approach aging and healing. The regenerative capabilities of jellyfish may inspire innovations in medical science, yielding treatments that enhance human health and longevity, as well as potential solutions to combat various diseases. As we draw closer to these extraordinary beings, we begin to appreciate the deeper messages they convey about resilience and adaptability. Jellyfish thrive in times of adversity, teaching us that survival often requires an ability to bend and shift, to embrace change rather than resist it. Their story compels us to consider our own relationship with nature, to recognize that we, too, are part of this intricate web of existence, intertwined with the life forms we often take for granted. In our quest for knowledge, we must also confront the ethical responsibility that comes with understanding such complex ecosystems. The plight of jellyfish serves as a bellwether for the health of our oceans, urging us to act with intention and care. As stewards of this planet, we must advocate for policies that protect marine life and promote sustainable practices to preserve the delicate balance of ocean ecosystems. The voices of the jellyfish whisper through the waters, calling upon us to be vigilant in our conservation efforts. The journey of the jellyfish is both ancient and ongoing, intertwined with the history of our planet. They have witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations, surviving eons while other species have vanished. This long lineage infuses them with a sense of timelessness, a reminder that life persists even in the face of insurmountable challenges. As we contemplate the mysteries that surround them, jellyfish become more than mere biological curiosities. They embody the potential for regeneration, adaptation, and collaboration. They remind us that the ocean is not just a resource to exploit but a living entity that deserves our respect and protection. The symbiotic relationships they maintain with their environment and the creatures around them serve as living testaments to the interconnectedness of life. In conclusion, let us remain vigilant in our commitment to safeguarding the oceans that cradle these mesmerizing creatures. The fate of jellyfish, and indeed all marine life, will depend on our collective actions. By celebrating the wonders of the ocean and advocating for its preservation, we honor the legacy of the jellyfish and the vibrant ecosystems they inhabit. Thus, as we conclude this exploration, let us not view jellyfish merely as spectacles of nature but as profound symbols of resilience and a call to action. The mysteries of these ethereal beings invite us to dive deeper, to marvel at the ocean's wonders, and to foster a vision of conservation that honors all life, connecting us together.